All right, so when it comes down to the cleanup of the beach, I was told by the security that it's definitely not a daily thing, and it's whenever. Sometimes when the tractor doesn't come and clean up, the workers here do. So that would be the landscaping crew. They would take care of it. From what we saw, the 2 days that we were here, the first 2 days it rained, so they didn't clean up at all. It only rained in the morning, but they still didn't clean up, and it was pretty bad. Now the third day it didn't rain at all, and that's when they cleaned up. But on that, as you guys can see, they don't really clean up much here at the beach. So yesterday was a sunny day, no rain, and I think it only rained at nighttime for about an hour. So today I assume they're gonna clean up a little bit, but again, they don't do that much. One of the main highlights, I would say, would be the bar that's really close to the beach. Well, it's at the beach. We have the snack bar. That's not a normal thing to be this close to the beach. So that's the snack bar there, 24/7. And there's a pizza over there, but that's only open for certain times. I think it's from 12:30 until 2. And then there's the washroom here. So that's a good thing too. You're here, and all you have to go is over there for the washroom. So it's actually really close by. Those are big pluses. Something that they do have at other resorts, but it's usually not working. These stations right at the beach. So once you get out, you're full of sand. You can just turn them on, and these are actually working. And the water is, well, I wouldn't call it cold. It's warm, but that's because it's warm outside. So they do work just fine. That's just to get the sand off your feet. Now the resort's pretty small. There's no go-karts to take you here and there. If you need help with your luggage, yes, you can ask and request somebody, but it's not gonna be in the golf cart at all. It's just too small of a resort. And I think no matter which room you get, it's not gonna be more than a 2-minute walk, maybe 3-minute walk to the beach itself. And this is definitely not a party resort. It's really quiet. There's no music going on at the beach like they usually do. The only place where they play music throughout the day and at nighttime would be there at the theater. So that's constantly playing music usually. They haven't turned on the music yet, but usually right now it's about 6:30 a.m. So that's why they haven't turned that on yet. But that's where the music comes from. There's a bar at the pool, yes, and there's a few other bars. But again, this is a really quiet resort. So you can see why people come. It's family oriented because they do have some activities for kids. And I can see if you just want a resort that's more chill, this would definitely be it. So pizza's open from 12:30 till 2.